about multiple stories. I'll add that to the top. Yes.
Market is now a solid. Okay, I'm gonna go do it because I want the practice.
I mean, not straight,
Okay.
but 66 hours. Yeah, they did. I got overtime.
It's E15.
Hello?
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Oh, no, you know what happened?
We are minutes from cutting into our first news show with the brand new Eyewitness News Control Room, designed in part by this man.
In 855?
There he is.
How'd you catch that?
I saw a couple of sends.
And another designer's over there. Oh man, Chris on the far end.
What's going on with Sager?
There he is. Led us through this whole project.
Where's my Sager's talk?
Here's another designer, Stan,
31 and 30 are in the wrong
in the blue
order.
shirt.
Hey, what's going on with the Sager piece?
And wired by moi et Troy. Where's Troy? There's Troy. Troy's over there. Troy helped wire this. There he is. Okay.
Hey,
Yep.
Lauren,
Okay.
Yeah.
tell Sager her piece isn't in yet. She may have to...
I'm not going to her if we don't have her piece. I'm going to the wall.
Okay.
Alright.
Here we go, 10.
It's sending right now. You'll have it.
6,
Okay.
5,
If we don't,
You'll have it. You'll have it.
3, 2, 1.
This is New York's #1.
Oh yeah.
Channel 7
Voiceover will be
Eyewitness
next.
News with David
I see it.
and Shirley Hallicott and Phil Evans with the exclusive AccuWeather forecast.
We're running our first broadcast. Watch.
Police in Brooklyn
Did you
looking
tell
for
her
an
that we don't have
attacker
to be
wanted
there?
for following a woman and then trying to rape her.
The first and arrest in
Camera
two
2
suspected
next, folks.
gang
Camera
murders
2
on Long Island. Good afternoon. I'm Shirley
I'm
Hallicott.
David Navarro, a 20-year-old immigrant, faced a judge today in Nassau County in connection with the deaths of 2 teenagers.
Do you
The
have it?
victims were just 16 and 19 years old. The suspect believed to have ties to the MS-13 gang.
Eyewitness News reporter Stacey Sager is live in Hempstead with new details from police. Stacey?
Well, you know, this is a new arrest, one of several MS-13 arrests in recent weeks. There have been 10 MS-13 murders here in Nassau County within the past 2 years, and groups of gang members committing each of these murders. And so with each and every one of these arrests, authorities are trying to send a message that the pressure is on.
With each passing week, more new MS-13 arrests for murders that happened months ago. Today, 20-year-old Kevin Lopez Morales, taken from an immigration hold into Nassau County Police custody. He's charged with 2 separate murders, 2 teens from Roosevelt High School who police say were perceived to be in a rival gang. The victims, Angel Soler, whose body was dug up in Roosevelt last October, and Josue Amaya Leonor, his body dug up more recently in May of this year here in the Roosevelt Preserve County Park.
Okay, so no
But
more
he was killed, they say, 2 years ago by as many as 7 members of the same MS-13 Hollywood clique, which means we could see even more arrests.
We're still looking to charge people with
That's him?
violent
Yep.
murder. But I think we've taken a big chunk out of them where we had them on the defensive, I would
We'll
believe.
see if we can figure out
So the
who
message is
that's the
clear. We'll
DA.
be
Perfect.
unrelenting in our pursuit.
Now, in your bag of tricks, do you have a,
About 107?
individuals, and they will be held to account.
here we go.
Now, police say this Hollywood clique
All right,
of MS-13
voiceover
is
will be
one of
next
several. They
for,
have so
Shirley.
far discovered at least 5 different factions of the gang here in Nassau County, and most of these arrests have been the result of a collaboration with federal authorities. Homeland Security is detaining many of these suspects for being in this country illegally. We're live outside the courthouse in Hempstead. I'm Stacey Sager, Channel 7.
Can anyone tell me where I'm supposed to be hearing my computer?
Thank you. New police in New Jersey are searching for a missing 11-year-old girl. Angel Riley is from East Orange, and she was last seen yesterday morning walking on Telford Avenue in Newark towards South Orange Avenue. Police say she did not get on her bus for school. Angel, who has asthma, was last seen wearing a black hooded sweatshirt and carrying a gray backpack.
A terrifying encounter for a woman in Brooklyn. Police say the man you see in this video followed her into a building and then tried to rape her, but she fought him off. Eyewitness News reporter Derek Waller has the details.
Sound on tape.
Sorry, what are you trying to...
If the killer runs his fate.
Plus, GoFundMe weighs in on the couple
Let me break on this.
human donations that were meant for a homeless man.
Okay, so
Great job.
B2 and 3 are dead.
Yeah, you're right.
If you look at road program, Jim, it's filled.
Well, that will follow along. So some good 77, 18, it will be cloudy. We have seen the last of the heat. I don't think we'll have any more heat index to talk about until next summer. We got a real cool autumn feel where the temperatures actually on Sunday can be in the upper 60s.
Gordon's Ribbon is going to bring us rain Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, and into Monday. We'll be watching Florence as it heads toward the East Coast. 78 degrees, you see, Garrett's Beach, Brooklyn. We're looking at 70 on toward White Plains, 65 on toward Monticello. Here's that flow coming in out of
Finally got a chroma key on TV that I can be proud of.
And we're looking at a few showers and
Just in time to get rid of it in the next building.
Gordon's remnants are here. It's going to create a lot of flooding rains here in the Ohio Valley, the Mississippi Valley, the Mississippi Valley. It will spread eastward and gets to us Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. We'll see here on the guidance. There could be a sprinkle or two, a spotty sprinkle this afternoon. And then as we get to overnight, the little second front goes by early in the morning. But once that goes by, Saturday is really a dry day, and you got some pockets in here. The farther north you go, you get some bright sunshine, and even in the night it'll be partly cloudy. Sunday starts off cloudy, and then here's Gordon. Sunday morning it starts to push
He
that
does not
rain
feel like he's
in.
rapping in a minute.